The Project Management Institute, PMI, introduced the concept of earned value management in the 1960s, revolutionizing how financial aspects of projects are managed and measured. In the world of project management, professionals lacking strong financial management skills often struggle to deliver projects within budget and demonstrate their financial value. They may face challenges in developing accurate project budgets, struggle with managing cash flows throughout the project lifecycle, or fail to effectively communicate the financial aspects of projects to stakeholders. This can result in cost overruns, reduced project profitability, and decreased confidence in project management capabilities. At the individual level, project managers may find it difficult to interpret financial reports, struggle with making financially sound project decisions, or face challenges in justifying project expenditures. This can lead to poor resource allocation, ineffective risk management, and missed opportunities to optimize project finances. This specialized course comes to the rescue by providing project management professionals with essential financial management knowledge and skills. It equips participants with the tools to effectively plan, control, and report on the financial aspects of their projects. By taking this course, individuals will gain expertise in project budgeting techniques, cost estimation, earned value management, financial risk analysis, and project portfolio financial management. They'll learn to develop comprehensive project financial plans, conduct financial feasibility studies, and create compelling business cases for projects. The impact on organizations can be significant. With project managers skilled in financial management, companies can expect improved project financial performance, better alignment of projects with organizational financial goals, and enhanced ability to demonstrate the value of project investments. This leads to more successful project outcomes, improved resource utilization, and increased stakeholder satisfaction. At the personal level, project management professionals will become more well-rounded and valuable to their organizations. They'll be able to speak the language of finance confidently, make financially informed project decisions, and effectively communicate the financial aspects of their projects to executives and stakeholders. This expertise can lead to career advancement opportunities and increased recognition as strategic project leaders. Don't let inadequate financial management skills limit the success of your projects. Empower yourself and your project management team with the financial acumen needed to deliver projects that not only meet scope and time objectives, but also drive financial value. Enroll in this Financial Management for Project Management Professionals course today and take a crucial step towards becoming a more effective and financially savvy project leader.